Before start the video, I added voice acting in my video. If you like watching my video or your voice acting, you can join for free. Anyways, let's start the video. Bye.
Yeah.
Well, finally it's here. Well, I can finally do. Now I can clean the house. This house is trash. Now I can't believe it.
What the hell was that? Hey! What? Can you quiet your robot? I'm trying to watch the TV, man.
Hey, I'm trying to clean the house because you guys don't clean.
Why? Because you're lazy? That explains.
Well, actually, just get out.
Fine, Tari, fine. I'm out of here. I'm going outside. Better yet, go you boyfriend robot you buy.
Yeah, whatever. I can't stand all your people.
Meanwhile...
I swear.
Oh, hey, you little weatherlong face.
Bro, why you have your stupid robot on my garden?
What's the big deal? You have garden to have dirt. Let's make it dirty. That's why you don't.
Yeah, I had dirt, but we're outside. What's the big deal? There's dirt everywhere.
Oh, you just dramatized, girl. Hey, where do you think you're going? Stop ignoring me. Well, I don't care. Just leave.
Sonicdog, look, man.
What the? Oh, come on. What do you want? What the? Hello, as you're reading this, I'm on vacation in Greenland. If you touch my robot, I'm gonna beat your butt. Front Tari.
What that means, Sonicdog.
It's time for you to
Die! Oh,
hello?
Hey, there's a robot working, my friend. Can you give me my refund?
Sorry, sir, I can't do that. You need to call the company crap.
That's our bank account. Just please give me a refund.
But no refund.
You know what? I want to tell the manager.
Oh my god, bro.
I don't care about what you say. Tell your friend you're never to buy from us again. You understand?
Oh, come on. I will give you one.
What an idiot.
Oh, come on!
My pet lobster Terry loves his sandwiches.
I am dead. Not a big surprise.
It was him.
get over here!
I'm Johnny. Stay alive. No matter what happens, I will find you.